Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Local wisdom with cultural topic. Pagar pengantin dance, traditional wedding culture of Palembang, South Sumatra. Key concepts. Paragraph 1. The Pagar pengantin dance is a traditional dance specifically performed by Palembang brides at wedding receptions. Its main function is as a final dance offering in front of the general public, especially extended family and friends, before she officially enters married life and comes under her husband's responsibility. This dance marks a sacred transition phase in the life of Palembang woman. The essence of this dance is the bride's expression of farewell to her single life, freedom, and the friends she enjoyed playing with. Although it is a farewell, the soft and graceful dance movements also reflect gratitude and happiness for the new chapter of life that lies ahead. The movement of scattering flowers at the end of the dance explicitly symbolize the release of youthful freedom. While dancing, the bride must stand and dance on a dulang keemasan or golden tray. This is a key symbol that signifies her movements will be restricted, not as free as when he was single. Because she has now entered married life, this restriction doesn't mean restraint, but rather mental readiness to take on responsibilities and uphold the honor of the family. The dance props that must be used are the tanggai and dulang. The tanggai are long fell nails made of gold or golden metal that are attached to bride's fingers. Tanggai symbols beauty, refinement, and also the skills weaving, cooking that Palembang woman must possess. Dulang or golden tray becomes the dancing area that limits movement as a metaphor for commitment and loyalty. This dance is performed when the bride wears a complete traditional costume, for example, Ayasan Gede or Pak Sangkong, that is luxurious and elegant combined with a crown and gold jewelry. She is accompanied by several supporting dancers or dayang and watched by the groom who stands behind or beside her. The presence of the dayang and the groom emphasize that marriage is a social event witnessed and supported by the community. Connection with the topics, facts. This dance developed from the song Nasib or Fate composed by Julius Toha, 1960s and popularized by Hajah Sukainah Abdul Rojak. Facts. The dulang keemasan props symbolize a lotus flowers that doesn't sing with the ebb and flow of the waves, signifying readiness to face household challenges. Graphic organizer used story maps used to visualize cultural elements such as the flow of narrative, and also because the topic of the Tari Pagar Pengantin can be analyzed as a narrative or sequence of events, history, meanings, and stages of implementation. Definition. Story maps is a visual tool that helps students map the structure of a narrative text by identifying important elements such as characters, setting, problem, and resolution. Steps or procedure. The teacher introduces the story map and its elements. The teacher reads aloud Students read the text, for example, a story about the origins of the pagar pengantin dance, or a detailed description of the ritual. After reading, students are instructed to identify and record each narrative element in the story map boxes, gradually or collaboratively. Students use the completed story map as a guide to retell, summarize, and or analyze the theme of the text. Application: the graphic organizer with the local wisdom in teaching reading. Story map is used to help students map the symbolic narrative or sequence of namely first, setting, traditional Palembang wedding reception. Second, characters, bride, groom, accompanying dancer. Third, plot, the bride performs her final dance on a tray. Fourth, them, farewell and purity or responsibility of marriage. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.